Hello, we are sharing a success story of lymphocyte immunization therapy in case of a couple with 15 miscarriages. It was in November 2015 that I received a phone call from patient Shawly from Ireland. Shawly and Benny were an Indian couple from Kerala settled in Ireland. She had history of 15 miscarriages. She had 8 spontaneous conceptions that ended in miscarriages, then 8 IVF cycles which resulted in 7 pregnancies which also ended in miscarriages.
We are married for 14 years. Since then, we were trying for a baby. But unfortunately, every time I got pregnant, I was miscarried at around 8 to 10 weeks of my pregnancies.
Her history and the tests done in UK indicated towards an alloimmune problem. Shawly and Benny decided to come to Mumbai to our center, that is Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology, to do further investigations and for subsequent treatment, that is lymphocyte immunization therapy or LIT.
We had lots of investigations and treatment in India and UK. And thank God I was able to find out Dr. Raoul's website, and I contacted him by phone, and he advised me to send all my details to him by email.
Shawly and Benny came to Mumbai and got immunological investigations done at our center. Shawly underwent lymphocyte immunization therapy or LIT at our center and she flew back to Ireland in a week. In Ireland, Shawly and Benny planned pregnancy naturally and then see what happened.
So I had my lymphocyte immunization therapy treatment in Dr. Raut's help. During my treatment, Dr. Raut, immunologist, and Dr. Mukta Raut stayed with me. It was very supportive and very helpful. Thank goodness I got pregnant after 2 months, and the pregnancy went to full term without any other complications, and I delivered a baby boy without any problems.
Shawly conceived naturally. During pregnancy, we recommended a treatment plan of immunomodulatory medications which she took in Ireland. The investigations of Shawly and Benny indicated that their problem was immunological with alloimmune rejection of pregnancy. Accordingly, they underwent lymphocyte immunization therapy or LIT, and after conception, she took immunomodulatory medications, and finally, this helped them achieve their dream.
I have no words to express my sincere thanks to Dr. Raut and his entire team.